So over the years, we get people asking, you know, how did this tip break? My tip broke prematurely. My tip broke on the first time I changed the tire. It's key that you watch the videos on how to use the tire changer, how to use the bar. The bar has a non-marring plastic end. It has a steel reinforced core. It's designed to break away in the event of the misuse or overuse, generally being used as a pry bar. In this video, I'm going to show you how to improperly use the bar that causes the tip to bend and break, creating a tip that looks like this. When properly used, there should not be any marks anywhere but down here, down low in the narrow part of the tip. If you got marks up here, and we're up high, it's being used incorrectly. That snap, I'm doing it wrong. I'm prying way up here, tire's way down here. I didn't pull the bar up towards the ceiling, tip bent and broke. Giving you one of those. So be sure and watch our other videos on how to properly use the bar. Again, this video, how to not use the No-Mar Mount Demount Bar. Thank you for watching.